Dealing with the Vcomp80.dll runtime error is the last thing you need today. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this specific conflict. As we look at the manual steps for Vcomp80, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This DLL file is the Microsoft OpenMP Runtime Library for Visual C++ 2005. It provides the essential routines for parallel programming, enabling legacy applications to utilize multiple CPU cores for processing tasks. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The most consistent solution is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Vcomp80, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install the Vcomp80.dll, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining the Vcomp80. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved the Vcomp80 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.